EDUSOFT ROBOTIX. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to EDUSOFT ROBOTIX. In this tutorial, we are going to glow an LED using an LDR. For this experiment, we are required an Arduino UNO, an LDR, an LED, a resistor, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram for the project. So, let's start building. Step 1. Place an LDR and an LED on the breadboard. Step 2. Connect one end of the resistor to the shorter leg, cathode, of the LED. Use jumper wires to connect the other end to the breadboard's negative power rail. Connect the long leg, anode, of the LED to the digital pin 9 on the Arduino. Step 3. Connect the LDR to the Arduino using jumper wires. Connect the DO pin to the digital pin 2 on the Arduino, the GND pin to the negative power rail, and the VCC pin to the positive power rail of the breadboard. Step 4. Use jumper wires to connect the breadboard power rails to the Arduino's 5 volts and ground pins. Step 5. Connect the Arduino board to the computer using the USB cable to upload the code. This is the program code we will upload to the Arduino. You can download the code from the description or visit our official website for more technical support. Click on Upload to upload the code to the Arduino. The output shall look like this.